How's it going, Beamer Tech crew? Let's say you want to work in the trunk area of your F30 and you possibly want to install Beamer Tech's premium audio amp, or maybe you're doing some work on the other side of the trunk. Well, stick around because I'm going to show you guys how to remove the trunk paneling. This is Beamer Tech's Digital Shorts. Here are the tools that we recommend. If you're interested in more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Let's get things rolling by opening the trunk. And then we'll remove the battery cover by turning the knob and then pulling it out. Let's leave that aside and we'll move on to the next step. Let's remove this panel and then the storage compartment underneath. Removing the panel clips are the same. Remove the cap and then the jacket. There's 2 steps. Let's go ahead and pry this clip out first. Then we'll remove the storage bin. In the upper part of the trunk, we'll go ahead and release the rear seats. This will give us access to the rest of the clips. Then back in the trunk, this plastic trim has 4 more clips that need to be removed. Being mindful of the rubber weather stripping, we're going to go ahead and remove this plastic trim. Then off to the side, go ahead and just lift up on this plastic cover. Then above that, we'll remove this utility clip as well. And some people may not notice it, but there's a clip over here as well. Then off to the back, we'll remove the plastic cover on the anchor points. You'll need a T25 Torx bit or Torx screwdriver to remove the bolt. Then just above that, there's another clip that we'll have to remove. And everything that you do on one side, you'll be mirroring to the other side. Off to the side, there's a 12-volt plug that we'll have to remove. Just give it a wiggle back and forth and then it should pop right out. Go ahead and unplug the wire from the back. Now, grabbing a pry tool, let's then remove the trim out from underneath the weather stripping. Making sure to take your time because the panel can be a little tricky. And with that done, you're all set and you can mirror the approach to the opposite side. And down in the comments, let us know what BMW should be next. Thanks for sticking around and watching this video. If you happen to have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos that we got here at the shop. See you next time.